Back down before he gets too far?
I don't think he's going to give up that easy. You got a rock in front of your diff. About 2 feet away. You're gonna hit it dead on. Now you got a rock on your right tire. There you go, you might make it there. Nice. I think he wants you to go forward.
Fuck that, we just spent like half an hour.
There you go. Just roll that dude right down the hill.
Hopefully it doesn't go far. Just leave it for there now. Leave it right there?
I thought it said this was a bunny rabbit trail.
Park right there.
Sure is.
I'm gonna slam that thing so hard. I think I'll just let
I thought it said this was a bunny rabbit trail.
Park right there.
Sure is.
I'm gonna slam that thing so hard.
Okay, you're cut off. Go back.
What was that?
You ran into the tree.
Yeah, with that thing that's sticking out where the red rag is tied on.
What are you doing? Backing down? Yeah, I can roll it away now.
You think so?
Yep. Want me to videotape?
Oh, I got it.
Guess who has to wash the Jeep when we're done with this? Me. Nah, I can just force Nick to do it. Just say I'll give him $2 and be like, okay, and I will. His winch is working. Yikes. Oh.
Fry, you really did it now. Damn, Cascade Cruisers made that airplane hill and you just had to go play on it, huh? Well, you got a ring opinion, broken axle.
All of the above.
One wheel drive.
Yeah, that one still works.
No, fill in the circle. Broken axle, front and back. That's the bottom line. All of